Geography of the Arabian Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula is located in the Middle East and consists of 7 countries: Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, and Kuwait.
The typical physical environment in the Arabian Peninsula is generally desert terrain with sparse vegetation, light breezes, clear skies, dust, and humidity, perfect for cultivating grains, coffee, and tropical fruits. The Arabian Peninsula also contains many mountain ranges such as the Zagros Mountains. The Arabian Peninsula is also home to some of the world's largest oases, such as the Haza and Qatif oases. The coasts of the Arabian Peninsula are populated with many animals such as goats, sheep, and camels. Some of the major geographical features of the Arabian Peninsula are the Arabian Desert, which is filled with many smaller deserts, the biggest being the Arab al-Khali Desert, or the Empty Quarter. Some other geographical features are the Hijaz Mountains, the Asir Mountains, the Hadramat Mountains, and the Adana Mountains.
The Arabian Peninsula has no permanent lakes or rivers. There is only fresh water during the rainy season. However, there is a lot of water underground, and when this water surfaces, oases are formed, which are perfect for agriculture. So palm trees and dates have thrived in the Arabian Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula is surrounded by 5 bodies of water: the Red Sea, the Gulf of Aden, the Gulf of Oman, the Persian Gulf, and the Arabian Sea. The Strait of Hormuz is also part of the Arabian Peninsula, and it connects the Persian Gulf to the Arabian Sea, and it's really important for the oil trade. In fact, 17 million barrels of crude oil a day pass through the Strait of Hormuz. Because the mainland is mostly desert, trade is vital to the Arabian Peninsula, and since it's surrounded by water, it's also an ideal location. There are many port cities in the Arabian Peninsula, and since it's close to both Asia and Europe, it's really easy to trade. The Arabian Peninsula is a desert climate, so there are extremely hot summers that can be up to 129 degrees Fahrenheit. The winters, however, are pleasant. There is a very low rainfall, and the average is less than 4 inches. There are also no permanent rivers, and as you can see in this aerial photo, there is no blue inside the mainland. The winds in the desert can be very strong, so there are also frequent sandstorms.
Some of the main resources in the Arabian Peninsula are oil and natural gas. As you can see in the map, Saudi Arabia has 262 billion barrels of oil. A lot of this is because they have easy access to oil reserves, which you'll see in the next slide. They also have a great fishing industry because of their access to water. The purple parts of this map show oil fields in the Arabian Peninsula. There are a lot of them concentrated here, which is why Saudi Arabia has the most oil production in the world.
Oil reserves greatly benefited all the countries in the Arabian Peninsula, except for Yemen.